May I reiterate again that gusto ko lang i-reiterate po itong sagot at yung na sabi na po ito kahapon. At sad to say, I have to make a comment on yung ang purpose po ng investigation na ito para ma-resolve natin once and for all kung ano yung mga problema na nakikita natin at hindi mag-create ng divisiveness, no, kundi ma-unify natin yung lahat ng institution ng gobyerno. Hindi tayo nag-investigate para i-polarize yung ating estado at hindi po tayo nag-investigate para lalo nating saksyan yung emotion na naandyan na. No, if I remind everybody, the members and so with the guests, kung pwede po yung pakiusap ko kahapon na wag po natin dadagdagan yung kung ano yung nararamdaman na natin, which I know na hindi na kailangan i-reiterate ko at hindi ko na kailangan i-articulate, pero alam ko po na nararamdaman ng bawat isa sa atin kung ano yung sensitivity at ano yung nararamdaman ng bawat isa. So time and again, sa lahat sa inyo bilang chair ng Peace and Reconciliation, i-reiterate ko na ang purpose po natin is pag-resolve ng problema at para matapos once and for all at at the end of the day para i-unify po yung lahat ng institution ng gobyerno para nang sa ganon makatulong po ito sa future ng ating bansa. Maraming salamat
Mr.
po.
Chair, excuse me po, naiintindihan ko naman po, pero hindi nga po nasasagot. Yun ang sinasabi natin, we need a closure or else we will be like a telenovela. We will continue to discuss and discuss by avoiding to make them really answer. Ang kaya nga ho na-repeat ngayon kasi hindi po nasagot kahapon. Ang request nilang po ng mga tao na I have all the papers here, they were not satisfied with the answer yesterday. We're not making them fight. We want us to unite. We are for unity. Women are for unity. Especially in this House body of Congress na hindi ho natin pwedeng ipakita na tinatakpan ho natin ang iba. Yun nga ho ang comment namin lahat dito. Kailangan ho natin payagang sagutin para po matapos na at hindi na po maitanong sa second round o sa susunod man na hearing. Ito po ay binibigay sa amin. I'm just showing you the sentiments of the people and the orphans and the wives na hindi po sila kontento sa sagot. I'm just being used by the people to read this way because they're not allowed again to speak and they want to speak. At ang isa pang binigay dito is for General Espina kasi po mahaba rin ang sagot ninyo, nakuha nyo ang time ko. Ilan daw po ang Pilipino na napatay nila Usman at Marwan? Binigay din nila ito sa akin. I think it's my duty being a guest here as a congresswoman to read what is given to me or else this will be hanging. We will never finish these discussions unless the correct answers are given and we're trying to avoid. We're not making them fight. We know that we want peace. But if we cannot answer correctly, which I think everybody knows, it will be harder kung masakit po ang loob nila and the Filipino people don't get the right answer. It will be harder for us to push the BBL. If now we can answer all the problem and heal the wounds of these orphans and these widows, I think it will be smooth. Kung hindi nga ho nangyari ito, sa tingin ko po, ay napasa na yung BBL. Yun lang po. Thank you, Mr. Chairman.
Thank you, Madam Arenas.
Mr. Chair.
Yes, can I make just a very brief statement po para at least I'm not addressing my statement to any individual po, kundi sa atin lahat po down sa observation. And thank you po, Congresswoman Arenas, for reiterating that. And then again, tingin ko, ang sabi ko sa chair, no, doon sa mga questions, kung pwede sana, dahil naulit at paki-reiterate na lang na hindi nasagot, at sagutin hindi doon sa sagot natin kahapon. Kasi obviously, pag ang tanong paulit-ulit, ganon din yung sagot natin at paulit-ulit yung mangyayari yung cycle ng katanungan natin. So, if I may suggest to those that are being questioned, kagaya ng question ni Madam Arenas ngayon, na sabi nga, ni-reiterate niya na hindi na-satisfy, kung meron tayong dagdag na para maintindihan, ano. And second, hindi po hindi po again, hindi po yung statement ko naka-address sa particular na tao, if I may clarify po. So thank you, Madam Arenas, and you can please continue with your interpellation. Thank you very much.